It's super simple to actually create surveys within your GetResponse account. Once you've logged in, straight from the dashboard, you're going to see surveys. You can go ahead and create new. So then you're going to go ahead and start with the settings, so giving it a name, a title, description, all of that. So this is going to be seen only by you. The name is only something for you to keep track of in your account, for example. So as we said, marketing survey, for example, just something for you to have. Now the title is going to be seen by your subscribers or respondents, whomever's going to be taking this survey. So, you know, whatever you want it to call. The description also can be seen, so it can maybe tell them a little bit more to the respondents about what the survey is all about. So your favorite ... whatever it is. You could provide a ref tracking code to be able to find it in segmentation via all many subscribers you got, because within a survey you can actually add a subscription form. So if anyone signed up to become your subscriber from this survey, with this ref code you could track that they came actually from this survey. And if you do choose to include a sign-up form, you want to make sure to set up if you want this to be double or single opt-in for those who are signing up. Thank you. So anything you'd like for your respondents to see once they complete your survey, so thank you, or whatever, anything else you'd want, of course. The thank you URL. So if you would like for your respondents to be automatically redirected to some URL of your choosing, simply input it here. And also if you would like for some image to be on the survey that they see on the page, you need to put the image URL right here, and that's where it would be. But let's go ahead and go to next step now. We've got the settings all filled out, so now we need to actually create the survey. So on the right here, you've got the easy drag and drop types of questions basically that you want to ask. So multiple choice, and they can only choose one answer, multiple choice, and they can choose several answers, provide text in a single line or paragraph, and there's the subscription form I mentioned. So multiple choice, one answer only, for example. Drag it over, then you click to edit it. So what's your favorite color? Note, you could choose anything to help them answer the question. Please choose one, for example. You can, of course, add more if you want them to choose between more options or fewer. If you just wanted 2 options. Any of that is totally up to you. You can change the order that they're seen for the arrows. You could make the field required so they can't submit the survey without answering this question. You could choose to select this, have their answers be loaded as a custom field in your account. And you can choose, again, change the type. If you want check boxes, radio buttons, or a list, it's totally up to you. So you'll click Save, and that one is created. And now for your second question, you can either choose to, let's say you want to have the same type again. You can drag and drop it underneath the first. So you could have them just listed right here and people can just scroll through your survey if you just want to do them all on one page. Or you can just add a page if you just want them to go through different pages. So it's totally up to you if you'd want to have it be different pages or have it be all in one page and they just scroll down. So that's how to set up the questions, just how, all the different types you might be having, and set up the settings just like we did in the previous one. And this is what the subscription form looks like. You'll choose which campaign. We'll edit it. You can choose which campaign they'll be subscribed to. And you can change kind of what it looks like. You don't want it to look exactly like this. Obviously, you can edit that. Again, note, anything else you want to say, of course. So again, choose the campaign that you want them to be added to whenever they fill out this survey. The name and email labels that they'll provide. And you can, of course, also make it required. So you're good to go once you've done your messages and, added a subscription form if you want. You can save it if you're going to come back and work on it later. Or just click Save and Publish if you're done. And then you're going to be brought to your surveys list. And you can access this just by surveys list. And there, if you had just clicked Save on any of them and you weren't quite working on them, you're going to see them as unpublished. And you can just click on them to edit them if you'd like to keep working on them. And all the ones that you have clicked Saved and Published for, They're listed here, and so you'll see the name that you gave them, marketing surveys, the one we just did. It's published. And then you'll just copy this link and you can hyperlink it within your messages or, paste it on your website, anything like that wherever you'd like people to have access to take this survey. If you, don't want this link to be valid anymore, you're done with the survey, for example, you could unpublish it. Or if you need to make an edit to this survey that you've just published, just unpublish it and then you can actually edit it. So this is a great option as well. You can really get to learn some more information about your subscribers or potential subscribers.